Welcome, people, bots and algos of INTERWEBS. This is the third edition of the Analyst. Introduction. Reading through a data table is fine if you want to be able to get information about data points. But if you also want to visualize your charts and get the big picture and make it easy and make easy comparisons to other values or see changes over time, then you're going to want to add charts to your report. Chart types. Chart types are a visual representation of your data. They come in a variety of formats that are suited to different understandings of your data. If you've worked with data in Excel, then you probably already know the basics. Line charts are good for showing trends over time. Column charts allow you to make comparisons across values. Horizontal bar charts are also good, also good, also good for comparison, but they work better when you have a lot of values to compare, since it's often easier to arrange the charts to be taller than it is to make it wider. And then we have our beloved pie chart or pie charts. When you want to visualize percentages of a whole, Report Builder allows and offers additional specialty charts, things like radar charts, area charts, bubble charts. So you'll be able to find a chart that works for what you wanted to do. Creating charts. It starts with a dataset, drag fields from dataset and drops it into zone boxes. Charts use values, category groups, and series. Now when you're creating charts, you'll follow a similar process as creating a data table or a matrix. Then process starts by creating a data set, just like you would for a table. Then you would drag your fields from the data set and place them into different boxes. But instead of values, row groups, columns, we have in table we have in table charts. Charts will use values, groups will use series. Chart components. Let's take a look at these different components of a chart. Values will always be numeric, and you can think of values as being traditional Y, being the traditional Y or the vertical axis in the column chart. Then you have values. Values are values are what will determine the size of the column for the chart. Maybe the representative revenue, or maybe they represent revenue or employee turnover. Categories, category groups can be numeric or text. They can make up they can make up the traditional x-axis or the horizontal axis. The category will determine what each column represents. In this case, different regions. Adding additional series of data will layer on another set of data points on the same chart. So we can easily compare values from 2023 to 2024 across the categories group. Are, are the standard components of the chart. But as we'll see, they'll include a number of additional components like ledgers, titles, trend lines that can be layered on top of the basic arrangement.